Hey guys, it's BC Fall Productions here. Today we're going to show you how to make some makeup for your LPS. Let's get started. You will be needing some crafting foam. It does not have to be sparkly, but if you don't have crafting foam, you can use cardboard. Scissors, a hot glue gun, and if you don't have one, you can use liquid glue, something to decorate it with to make it look like makeup. Take some craft foam and cut it the size you want your makeup to be. Once you have your piece cut, put it on top of another piece of craft foam and cut around it. Once you have your two pieces, glue them together. Now you have the base for your makeup. One option for the makeup is to use stick-on gems and stick them on your makeup base. Second option is to use different colors of nail polish, or you can use bits of craft foam. These are the three finished products. This one is the foam one. We stuck little pieces of foam on the makeup base and painted a little mirror with nail polish. For this one, we used stick-on gems for the makeup, and the last one we just painted on little dots with nail polish. Comment down below which one is your favorite, and also which DIYs you want to see next. Thanks so much for watching, and subscribe to our channel, and also like this video. Thanks so much, guys.